Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and to a new trades breakdown video. So as always, I'm going to show you the trade that I took today on NQ and the logic behind it, right? From all the time frames or all the relevant time frames. So let's not waste any more time and let's get started with the video. So here's the trade that I took, a short position from here. This was a down close candle. So the day ended green and my strategy gave me a bearish signal, so that's always a good thing. It's always good to trade with the trend. Alright, I don't like to trade reversals. Your win rate will skyrocket if you just follow what the market is doing. If, for example, this is a bullish zone on the higher time frame, right, from this to this, and you're looking to buy from here, versus a trader who is looking to continue with this trend right here, the trader that follows the trend will always outtrade the one who looks for reversals all the time. Alright, and also psychologically speaking, you will feel more confidence trading continuations, trading with the momentum rather than taking a position and fighting this whole trend. So that's a lesson that I learned the hard way. And let's go back now to TradingView, and I'm going to show you the logic behind this. So on the 1 minute, and that's the time frame that I watched during the session. All right, if we go to here, beautiful. This is we had a push to the upside, and then we started moving to the downside. Right, I'm going to show you what happened here. So this trend, it was really beautiful on the 15-second, a series of highs and lows, right? Price was in a hurry, and that was perfectly aligned with a higher time frame. All right, so I found an opportunity here, somewhere around here, another opportunity here, but I couldn't participate in this. I had to adopt, and I took opportunity from here. So I'm gonna show you the execution time frame later on, but why I was looking to continue the trend and not look for reversal from here, maybe tapping into this. Why I didn't look for reversal? So if we go to the 1 hour, all right, that's my higher time frame. We were in a downtrend here. Again, I don't need to look at all this and try to extract the overall trend and structure. I trade on the 15-second, and I only need the 1 hour structure or trend to take my trades. All right, I don't need everything else. So everything else is just noise for me. So we have a trend right here, and this candle, the 11 a.m. candle, and that push that we have seen on the 1 minute, look what it did. We traded to the upside, we cleared, and we swept all of these highs, right? And also this high, the previous high, the previous candle high. So in my opinion, a lot of time, and following the trend, we're gonna attack the previous low, right? Previous hourly low. Because suppose that we are here, right? The candle closed, and what we have to the left, we traded above this high, we swept it, we couldn't close above it, and also above all these, and you are here. Do you think that price will likely to trade you here or go back to here, right? In terms of probabilities, this is the next likely to be the next target. And if we go to the lower time frame, it agrees perfectly with this. All right, so the order flow on the lower time frames perfectly aligns with this. So that's why I didn't look at that bullish zone on the 1 minute, bullish block, because it might look like we are trading to the downside here, like this, and then we have a break of structure here, and then another break of structure on the higher time frame, and you might be looking to trade this SNDR, maybe the sweep of it, and then trading to the upside, but that's not what the higher time frame is saying. All right, choose any time frames, any 3 given time frames, from the higher time frame to the lower time frame, and always make sure that your entries on the lower time frame is validated by the higher time frame. So here you can see that price was explosive to the downside here. We didn't have a lot of chances here. If you go to the execution time frame right now, I wanted to participate here. Price, after we closed at above this or below this imbalance, we didn't have a retracement to it, so price left without me, unfortunately. And then here we had another chance. Here we traded above this high, right? And then I was looking for price to trade or close below this imbalance, and I take my entry. It didn't happen, and I don't like to take trades here. All right, I like to trade before price trade here, before price even take this low. So I don't like to trade these pullbacks. And if this happens and I didn't get the chance here, I don't take the trade directly, but I look for what's gonna happen here. And if price gives me a chance, I'm gonna trade one more time, look for entries. So it happens here, but I didn't wait for the closure here. I know that based on what's going on, we don't have, or once price closes below an imbalance or a low, we will not get that pullback and price will just melt. So I took a buy stop or a sell stop here. All right, once price traded below this was the low, the critical low, that if we break, we're going to continue with this trend. All right, so I put my sell stop here and my stop loss here, and I took 1.5 R. All right, if we go back to the 1 hour and the daily, so that's what I like. 99% of the time, whenever we have a candle like this, candle like this, candle like this, either up close candle or a down close candle, a candle that shows a direction, my system generates a trade or 2 trades in that direction. So that's a really good thing. And in days like these, this one right here, this one right here, and this one, maybe this one, my system doesn't generate any signals, right? And I try to enhance it even more to never generate signals here. All right, and that's how you should work on enhancing and fine-tuning your strategy, knowing where it works best and knowing where it works worse, right? And trying to work on your strong points in days like this. Make sure that your strategy generates signals, and here to filter out the signals and add filters so your system won't generate signals. I might do a video about this in the upcoming weeks. So I believe that this is the end of this video. If you have any other questions, you can always DM me in my Twitter account or leave a comment down below and I will answer you as soon as I can. Now, happy trading and good luck.